Whoa. I got feelings for you. Hope you ain't loving the crew.
Hi babies, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I will be doing a after school / night routine.
Wanna know what it's like? Teach me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby.
So I just came from school and stuff private. I could have done better for real, but like I be getting in my head, and then like if somebody tells me something like this, like not even a part of my stuff private, then I be getting frustrated, getting in my head. I'm like, why are you talking to me? Like stop, and I can't even block them out. So I ended up overthinking it. So that's what ended up happening. But y'all, my hair is messed up from my school purpose. This one's lower, this one's higher, but that's whatever. Yeah, it's gone. I usually don't take it off like that, but the bobby pins are gone, so I can just take it off like that. I take off my hat. Oh y'all, so if y'all didn't see, this is what my hat, and this is where get out of my way. This is what I wore with my, I forgot what they're called, but that's what I wore. So right now I'm taking off my hair because it just looks so hot now. So I just got done walking Envy. Lord, she was irritating me. So I'm about to get started and do some homework because I have homework to do. This is stuck. Okay, it's not stuck anymore. And I'm not gonna choose to what. Oh, I'm not even going to school tomorrow. I don't know why I'm acting like I am. I'm gonna do that soon. So I do need to fix all my rooms. I'm really just gonna look at that right there. Itchy, itchy. Okay, so the bobby pins were in, but oh, what the heck? Oh, that's like this braid, Lord. Okay, so let me tell you about my day at school. School is like school for real. I don't really enjoy homeschool because I don't talk to them and I don't like when they talk to me. No offense, just don't like it. So back to what I was talking about. School for real. I did try something new with my makeup. So my mom said like it looks weird that I don't put anything on my eyes, but I mean my friends think it looked fine, but I tried it out and I tried to do like a light smoky eye. You couldn't really see it too much, so that was a little bit disappointing. I mean, I don't know if she saw it. She could have been saying yes just to please me. We don't know. I'm fixing my camera. Oh yeah, I do have my necklaces on. See, I'm just fixing this stuff up because I left it a mess in the morning. So today was such a rough morning. Today's been a rough day. Today has just been a rough day. Like I had a hard time getting up this morning. I had like a little toot, like it just wasn't working. I was tired. I was really tired. No, I stayed watching Jennifer Collabs. I didn't go to sleep till like 11:47, but that's not even bad, like because I've gone to sleep later and I've been perfectly fine. So I don't know what's up with that. I love Jennifer's Body so much. I freaking love that movie. And no, I don't love it because it's like she just became popular on TikTok, and I've been loving that movie. That's my mom. This is trash. Off my jewelry with the rest of my jewelry. And make sure y'all check out my other videos. I think I might repeat myself. I stay repeating myself, y'all. So you know, I've been putting out some videos like I'm supposed to be because I got to get my money up. Cause you know these checks be hitting. Like they be woo, they be nice. So got to get the money up because I need to buy myself a new computer. When I tell you my computer is busted. Oh, let me tell you the homework I need to do. So I needed to do some chemistry, some economics, and I have to see what else. I look so freaking good today. I was telling my mom in the car, I was like, Mom, I shouldn't have worn this. I look too good. Because I did. well, I do. I'm gonna put my jewelry up, and then right after that I will be putting on the pajama and probably starting. No, I need to wash dishes, so we're gonna go downstairs and wash dishes. Y'all just gonna watch me while I clean the rest of my room.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
To wash dishes. So my routine, like, it's not like the same every day. Like, I just come home from school and just, I don't know, like, it really just depends on the day, what I'm doing, what I need to do. So I probably might be chatting to y'all, just rambling, tell y'all what I need to do. So right now I'm about to put up some dishes. I need to put up the dishes, wipe off the counter, re-wipe off the counter, everything, because we got dishes in the dishwasher everywhere. And I'm just gonna use in the dishwasher and gotta put some, okay. So that's the one you do this.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my.
Okay, so I'm pretty much finished now. It kind of looks like I got, because like we don't have like a huge sink, but we have a pretty good size sink. Oop, I need to put this up. This is where I keep our hair. Y'all, I love our freaking pantry. We gotta stock her back up. But our pantry, the best pantry I've ever seen in the world. So I know it looks like I have a whole bunch of dishes to wash, but we don't use this side. But it's really not that much. Like, I promise you. I just simply stacked it up all in there. So y'all just about to watch me wash dishes. Alright y'all, so we guys. We also use this other one from Home Goods. It's like really good. Hold on, let me switch because the lighting is way better right here. I'm kind of I'm not using those today. So no, I'm gonna tell you at the beginning. So when we're upstairs, I probably am gonna start on my cleanup. I'm gonna wash my face, put on my face mask, put on a face mask. So I'm gonna use the Aztec face mask. I haven't been using it like I'm supposed to. And my mom, we were like editing. We were editing my room tour. We were going to Amazon and we were looking at the stuff that like we had bought because like some of my stuff was from Amazon. And she was like, you make a thing? Yeah, I was like, I completely forgot about it. Like I see it on North and I was like, oh, I need to use it, but then I never used it. So major oops. So I think I might do that. Or I might do it before bed. See, I'm just rambling.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
For dinner, I'm gonna be making myself a sausage and some veggie sausage and some vegetables. My mom was downstairs, so I'll see you guys in a second. I'm gonna cut my vegetables. I'm gonna grab them.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the over until my will.
Olive oil. First, I just seasoning. Salt and pepper in these cute little containers. Some seasoned pepper.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so the sausage, not the sausage, the oven is done preheating, so let's put it in the stove, and then we'll clean up. Okay, and we'll see you later. So y'all are gonna see me put this stuff up, and then I'm gonna go back to my homework.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So all done. So now I will just see you guys when it's time to eat.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, so I just dropped another video like right now, a couple like 2 minutes ago. So make sure y'all watch that video. It's to get ready with me for like a pretty little thing. So I'm about to tell all my friends to watch y'all my last video. So I remember when I told my mom not to get my feet. Tell my cousin making funny. He said it's going on real good. Them ugly dogs off my tip. You know, I'm posting like I gotta get that money up for real. I'm really just concentrating. But after I finish doing this, we're gonna go downstairs and check my feet. So I'm gonna come back when I'm finished doing this because I'm not even talking. Okay, let's go upstairs, check out my food because it smells good. Also, this is kind of weird. Even though I seasoned it, I'm just gonna put some ketchup on it because I always put ketchup on my sausage. Why? It's looking pretty good. Looking good. I think it's done. I mean, it should be because my freaking vegetables and stuff burn. Well, burn. Let me show y'all so y'all can see. Ooh. That's it, yeah. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I don't even hold it. Okay. I should know. Yeah, this is done. Okay. See, just like I was smelling it. Yum yum, delicious, delicious. So I'm gonna tear that up. I don't even worry about it, see if it's gonna be good, because my cooking is good. I know how to cook. I mean, this is something simple, but I know how to cook. Don't blame me. So currently, eating my food and watching my video.
This just made me hot. I knew she was doing something weird. I was like, what is she doing? Because I'm like, I feel like her, like, making parts and everything. I'm like, what is she doing? It's hard.
No, because
I'm so lovable.
I love watching myself because personally, I'm hilarious. Like, literally, you can't even tell me I'm not funny. Because I'm like the female Kevin Hart.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins
it was getting up when I first saw it. It had 7 reviews, and then I refreshed it, and it was at 320. And I just refreshed it again. 1.7, 1,000. Wait, not 1.7, 1,000. 700 people watched it. But my room tour is doing really good, y'all. I'm at 4,600 people, which I'm liking. But you know what did really good? What did really good was, I just need to watch all my videos. It's point blank period. Let me turn my brightness on so you can see them. This one did really good. This one did really good. So for that time that we weren't posting, we were recording chili videos, because as y'all know, don't forget, follow my Instagram, Outumntatsme. I'm a whole cheerleader. For life. Well, not for life. But you know, I like to look back at my old videos and like see how much I've matured, and like how I've gotten better with talking to the camera. Now I just be rambling, or I just don't know what to say. I just be going on and on and on and on, which is kind of bad. Well, it's not bad, but it's just, whew, Autumn. Some of that stuff isn't even necessary. So since I'm done eating, I'm gonna take that downstairs. Probably gonna read a little bit. No, I'm gonna wash my face and then probably read a little bit. And then after that, we're gonna put on the face mask. Actually, I kind of want to start right now, because why not? What time? What is it on? It's 6:35. I feel like it's time. I feel like it's time. So we're gonna take this downstairs. Then you know what time it is. But no, I need to take a shower first. So we're gonna take a shower first. Oh, I have to give you guys an updated skin routine. Oh my gosh. We're gonna take a shower first. Put that in the sink. You know what? So major detour. I took that downstairs, but then Emmy was acting like a freaking fool. So I was like, dang, I didn't even take her to the bathroom. I haven't taken her to the bathroom since I got back home, which is at 3 something. It's 6. I mean, I would have taken her at like 7. But ugh, she was doing too much. Look at her, just trotting. Literally just trotting around. So we're back. No passport, unfortunately. I mean, just see me take this off, because it's not like I'm getting bubbled today. So let's do some pajama tonight, because I'm able to sleep in, thank God. I'm trying to go for very much oh, I might have to wear my mom's pajama. If y'all don't be stealing y'all friends' pajamas, what do y'all be wearing? Cause I stay stealing my mom's pajama. And she be like, you need to stop. But I be returning them. Found the pajamas and I wear. My feet do get a little cold, so grab me some socks. Let's get out the lotion. Oh, yeah, let's do. I'm gonna wear some dream cream. Basically like a cocoa butter, but kind of better. Y'all, and I gotta grab my deodorant. You know how happy I am. I don't have to go to tomorrow. I can sleep in. Okay. So now we got that. Got my robe to the bathroom. Wait, where's my towel? Towel's missing. I'll find it. I think it's in here. Oh, that towel's in here. I'm actually gonna grease my hair real quick. So the new choice, and I also use the one.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Bitch, me what it's like? I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing. what it's like. Teach me what it's like.
I'm starting to hurt. I look too strong. Okay, so now that I'm done greasing my hair, we're gonna hop in the shower, brush my teeth and wash my face. This mess time. I haven't used this so long. I promise you, I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna use it like once a week. Yep. Once a week. I just got finished washing my hair. I mean, not washing my hair. Greasing my hair, and we're gonna hop in the shower.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like. Teach me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa.
So I just got out of the shower. I know I'm looking a little crazy, but I just had the same hottest shower in the world. Okay. So I don't know, makeup and everything, but it was worth it because the shower is amazing. So right now I'm just gonna brush my teeth and wash my face, and then after that I'm gonna lotion my body so I don't get itchy, and actually while I'm in here doing my neck. So y'all gonna watch me do that. I might talk a little bit, but it was literally just me rambling.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Washed my face, brushed my teeth, and now it's face mask time. I'm literally pampering myself for the best sleep ever. So I'll see you guys when I'm all dressed and lotioned. So all lotioned, here's the outfit. It's from Shein. I really love this pajama. Got on my socks, but I'm gonna leave these socks from Southwest. I think technically they're supposed to be hers, but they're mine now. We got the mask. And we got this face cast set that we got from Amazon. I need to get my eyebrows on, y'all, but I do have like a little pimple right here. It did kind of help, like, get some of my pimples away a little bit. And oh, didn't happen yesterday because I was gonna do it yesterday, and then I was like, no, I can do like a little night routine. Okay, so I have to let it sit on my face 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just gonna do 10 minutes. And we ran out of apple cider vinegar, so we're just gonna have to do. And yesterday we were supposed to go get it too. Put a little bit of water here. Put some water in here. I didn't want to put too much because it still has to make it clay, but I'm gonna end up needing some more. Yeah, most of it will need some more. Lord, I did not put any water in here. Look at it. Let me show y'all mixing it.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Till I cried up to the side of my mountain until
different since I didn't use so heavy apple cider vinegar. Let's put it on my face. Oh. Okay, that's the mood we're in. Don't get thrown in the trash. You don't. Ooh. Okay, I have an urge to mix it somewhere.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
We're almost done. Lord, I made it too big of a batch. Oop. That close to my... Okay, we're done. So, all done. Now, we're literally gonna relax. And I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Boom, I did that perfectly. Don't play. So, oh, it's time to take it off. I didn't put my stand back on yet, so it's just gonna be from this weird angle. Let's wipe off my face and my makeup one more time. Okay. So since my my camera is gonna die, I'm gonna get a clip of me doing seeing my face on my phone. So I'm gonna plug up my camera for a little bit. Like I told y'all before, camera's gonna die. It's plugging up, so I'm about to steam my face. I filled it up already. So y'all need to make sure y'all drink your water. That's what I need. That's what I need to do, because I got a little pimple right there, like I told y'all. But y'all have to make sure y'all drink your water, like wash your face every day. Yes, it's very good for you, moisturize your face, but drinking your water is the biggest thing that you can do to help your skin. That's what I learned. But I remember when I started drinking water and my acne popped up on me just like that. But I don't steam my face no longer than 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer for 7 minutes, and then I'll see you guys then. Okay, so the timer just went off. Hold on, y'all. My face feels so good. I'm thirsty. I need some water. But right now, I'm about to relax. I'm probably going to end this video soon. But I'm about to relax some more. I'm probably going to watch a little movie. But, Okay, so here for this. I'm getting sleepy, y'all. That's how I know. I had a good shower. I got a whole lot of work done. I had an amazing mask, a good steam. Oh, that's what I need. I'm about to do that this weekend. But I hope you guys enjoyed like this quick little video with me. I'll probably do a better one in the future because this one wasn't as good. I didn't do it as good as I wanted it to. But I will make sure I put all the products that I used in the description down below. I love you, fall babies, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.